Mula Pilipanasyan Gan Korea. Son Kamen A Helena KO. Dito sa SM Supermalls Teo Meg Kita Kita. Ang Masisipag at Manga. Pojing Bata A Manga Talentadong Bata Nang SM. Ang Manga Crush Nang Bayan. At Ang Tatong Nang Manila. Magsasama para sa patongar o sa isang linggong negosyo. Sa saya ang lunchtime niyo kasama si Tatong at CBTS. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business. With Jordan Ninong Castro as your Henry C. Dito sa Patong Bata Nang SM. Discovering the BTS products that is selling in SM Supermalls. Simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube July 1st, 2023 Saturday at 11:30 a.m. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today's video vlog is another special, educational, and entertainment. Because last time ago, we do the video vlog for educating the Henry's businesses with the and hyphen band or the group of K-pop brother. And today, we will have another special guest to be performed for this one. That is a part of SM history. And they are the BTS. Ayan. So, kaway-kaway sa ating mga K-pop lovers, mga crush nila ng mga K-pop, for our sisters, LGBT na mahilig dito sa K-pop. No, lalong-lalo na sila yung mga matitikas, no, magaling sumayaw, magaling kumanta, good looks, diba? So, sana isama nyo rin sa crush ng bayan, ang Tito Henry nyo. Pero anyway, ay noon pa man since 1960s up to 2000 until the next generation idol na idol pa rin ng SM Supermalls when it comes to services, caring, and for CSR and to build our dreams. Diba? So, the title of our vlog for today is Dito sa Pitong Bata ng SM. Discovering the BTS products that is selling in SM Supermalls. Ayun. So, makikita nyo dito yung mga BTS natin, no? Na talagang energetic, idol na idol ng lahat. No? Special shoutout na rin sa aking kapatid na si Aya na mahilig dito sa K-pop na ito. So, I will show you here is the connection of BTS band and the product that is selling in SM Supermalls. When we are going to SM Supermalls, we can discover the BTS products that is selling there at ang kanilang station. So the BTS have the station on this Supermall. What is that station? That the place that you can buy your products in the SM Supermalls of the BTS products, right? So, but for the first introduction, what is the BTS meaning? So, in full Bangtan, Sonyeondan, Korean, bulletproof Boy Scouts or Bangtan boys, also called Beyond the Scene. So, hindi to yung Beyond the Scene na yung kinakanta ni Mr. RJ. As in,
My lover's dancing golden sand.
scene, yung nasa pelikula. The scene. So, it's a South Korean K-pop, Korean pop music band that's shoot to international stardom in the late 2010s. Ayan. So, 2010, so especially ang ninong nyo, kapanahunan ko when I was a high school or a grade 5, grade 6. So, meron na palang BTS noon, nung araw. Okay. So, for the first episode that you will discover here is the BTS products in SM Supermalls. Ayan. So, I will present to you here is the products of the BTS in SM Supermall. It can be lotion, dress, clothes, CD, toys, etc. that you can find in SM Supermalls. So, sakto sa mga magmamall ngayon or mamaya or bukas, you will discover on my blog which of the places or a venue that you can buy your BTS products. So, check it out. Okay, thank you for watching. You've just discovered the BTS products that is selling in SM Supermalls of your Mr. Henry Singh. Today, we will discover here is the station, the main station of the BTS in SM Supermall. And that will be the SM Mega Mall. Alright. In that place, you can buy the international, the legit, the high class, or in other words, imported products, fresh delivered from Korea to Philippines product. So, yung mga gawang BTS talaga na you don't need to go in Korea just to buy the BTS products or some of the cities or signatures, etc. Because here in Manila, of Metro Manila, in Mega Mall, we have the BTS products. This is the connection of Henry C family under by the SM and the BTS management, and they tandem each other, and then they have the business to serve the people. So, ito po yung ating 7 kabataan na nagbigay ng time para pasayahin kayo at magbigay ng serbisyo. So, especially yung ating mga K-pop fans, no? You are finding the real BTS products na hindi kayo sanay sa kung saan nyo lang nabili. O dito na kayo pumunta sa SM Mega Mall. Tiyak na mararamdaman yung parang galing kayong Korea. Kasi yung product sa Korea, idinadala din through SM Mega Mall to sale. So, this will be the next episode for our BTS and SM Mega Mall business. I have just discovered that BTS and the SM products that is selling in SM Mega Mall. Now it's time for Mr. Henry C. and the BTS tandem. So ano nga ba yung connection pa nila bukod sa SM Mega Mall and BTS reunited as one to serve us? So makikita rin natin dito the BTS goes to SM MOA. Wow, pupunta na naman tayo sa MOA. Last time lang, pupunta tayo sa kanyang mga businesses in Pasay, Batang Pasay. Thank you very much for those who watch and for subscribing and to like it. So today, pupunta na naman tayo sa SM MOA sa kanyang arena dahil pupunta doon at nag-concert ang ating mga BTS bands. O yan, mga K-pop. Nako, buhay na buhay ang legacy ni Mr. University talaga pag nandyan pa rin ang mga taong bayan to support and to give time for our talents and skills, lalong-lalo na ang mga BTS, ang mga batang to, ay talagang nagbibigay ng tuwa at saya. So you will discover here the BTS and Henry C's connection in SM, especially yung kanilang concert and some of the C families doing to serve more people on their Super Mall. Walang iba kundi ang SM.
I will watch the BTS on my Mo Arena. In life and in business, you need to be good-hearted and trustworthy. And to have integrity, this is the way to build long-term relationships. It's also important to be optimistic and to look at challenges as opportunities. From your Henry C. giving you the action of learning for good friendships for great business.
I'm the one I should love in this world, love myself. From the BTS giving you a great service to all people to serve.
So you truly discover our BTS and Henry C, of course. So sabi nga ni Mr. Jose Rizal, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Diba? So we have this kind of teenager or a group of dancers and a group of band to perform and to give education, entertainment, and to help the business, di ba? Kasi dahil sa kanila ang negosyo nag-bloom, dahil sa kanilang mga signature, ang kanilang mga strategic. They are our marketing strategy para mag-bloom tayo. We will work with them, they will work with us, serve the people and economy. So, for the next episode that you will discover here is the CSR. Ano nga bang pwedeng gawin ng BTS as they feel blessed? What is the blessing or a special help that BTS can do together with Mr. Henry C? Diba? As we feel blessed, let's bless others. As said in chapter 5 of Matthew, diba? Sabi ni Jesus doon, mapalat ang nagugutom, nangauuhaw, makainin, tulungan ang mga nangangailangan. Especially in the chapter of the 2 Corinthians 9:7, di ba? God loves the cheerful giver. So, ano nga ba ang pwedeng maitulong ng ating mga BTS and of course, the extend helping of your King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C, to serve the people and the economy. Together with the help of BTS and the SM Supermalls, SM Foundation Incorporated. So makikita po natin ito in the next slide. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless to all of you. And this is your, Denver Castro once again. The title of our vlog dito sa Pitong Bata ng SM. Discovering the biggest products that is selling in SM Supermall. So I hope those who will go to SM today, you just discover our special video vlog. Discover the variety products that is selling in SM Supermalls, of course, in SM Mega Mall. Ayan, sa mga malalapit dyan sa Mega Mall, you can grab yourself there. And if you really wanted to buy the products, the BTS, CD, the toy, cloth, and anything, sagot yan ang Tatang Henry. Ang Pitong Bata ay nakipag-work at nagkaroon ng special deal. Serve the people and the economy with your Tatang Henry C. in the SM Supermalls and to serve and to give happy. Sabi ng Tito Henry nyo, we've got it all for you. For you and me, para sa lahat. Kaya kahit ang BTS ang hanap mo, nandyan po sila. Thank you. See you for my other video. And like, comment, and share. You may buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos. 80 pesos for screen recording. So, i-PM nyo lang ako on how to buy. And the next week, I will present a vlog kung paano nga ba bumili ng video vlog ko. Kasi iba, hindi pa alam kung paano ba i-download. Ang alam lang yung download na save sa YouTube nyo. Iba yun. The downloading is to save on your memory card or in your storage so that you can use my video for posting on your own social media also and to present it or to have your DVD kung tawagin. Meron na kayong original copy ng aking vlogs. So, ayun. So, thank you and see you for my another video vlog and shout out na rin natin yung ating kababayan. And I know, ibang man ang ating lahi. We are all brothers and sisters. Dito kasi sa nangyaring paglubog ng submarine sa Titanic. Hindi yung Titanic na lumubog kasi 1912 pa po yun. Pero meron kasing latest ngayon na isang submarine ang lumubog para hanapin ang Titanic. And sadly, yung submarine na yun, lumubog rin. Eh syempre, yung mga sakay ay namayapa na. So, 5 po sila. Yung magkasama pa doon, mag-daddy pa. Ako, kaka-Father's Day lang. Diba? So, let's just pray for them, for their family, friends, and belongings na sana may mahanap pa rin justisya kung bakit na sira o lumubog ang kanilang ginawang project na hangarin lang naman nila makapag-educate rin. So, let us just pray and hope na ma-discover natin bakit ganun masira. And we pray na sana mahanap yung kanilang mga bodies. Kasi nakakita na daw yung submarine pero yung mga sakay nawawala. So, we don't know kung saan sila napanpan. Baka nasa lupa ng Titanic, napakahirap niya hanapin. But let us just pray na lang. Ang Lord naman nakakalam po ang nangyari sa kakahinat na, especially yung family nila. We need to pray and wish them a rise. So, ayun po. Ang Ninong TV is sending prayers and condolences with my family for the family who lost yan sa Titan submarine malubog. So, keep safe po tayo. Pag tayo ay nasa barko, mag-drive ng maayos. Check natin ang mga makina bago natin patakbuhin para hindi ito maulit yung mga ganitong incident. Hindi lang sa nangyari sa submarine kundi sa lahat. No? Especially ating mga kapitan. Barko, check natin yung ating mga machine bago natin i-operate kasi buhay ng tao hawak natin dito. So, thank you and that's all for my video vlog. Like, comment, share, and goodbye. Thank you. See you for my another video vlog with your king of Philippine business, Mr. Henry C. Alright.